Well, today was a long day at work, so dinner is going to be easy. I'm going to make something like a taco salad. So I have the ground beef, I have kale, a tomato, I have taco seasoning, and this is the little prepackaged brown rice and quinoa that you just throw in the microwave. And then I have black beans and corn. And really, there's not much to it. The longest that's going to take to cook is the ground beef, so it'll come together really quick. So the ground beef is browned up real nice, so all I'm going to do is add the street taco seasoning, and then it'll be ready to go. Well, it must smell really good because every time I try to start this part of the video, the dogs will come running to see if there's any tasty treats for them. So, the beef is done cooking, and while it was cooking, I cut up the kale and I diced the tomato. I drained and rinsed the corn and the black beans, and then I tossed the quinoa and the brown rice in the microwave. All I'm going to do is just throw it all together, and I hope I don't make a mess. And dinner is done. Alright, so I've made my bowl, and you can add cheese, sour cream, avocado, have some tortilla chips on the side. I had cheese in the fridge, so I think I'm going to go ahead and add some of that because I love cheese. I'm probably going to add more cheese after I stop the video. Let me try it. That's really good. I think I forgot to mention that the dressing that I used was the buttermilk ranch, but of course you can use any dressing that you like. And I hope that you enjoyed that recipe. It was something that I thought about at work today, and I needed something that was healthy and easy to put together. It didn't take long at all, and it might take a little bit longer if you got kids and dogs running around the house, but it still wasn't that long. So I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching.